Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to convert your presentation to PowerPoint on the Keynote application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Keynote application, which is built into the Mac computer, as well as Mac Office, PowerPoint, which can be downloaded from Office 365. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go over down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Keynote application. Search for this, open up the Keynote application. Wait for that to load. Once that has loaded, go to the top navigation menu. Go to File, go to Open. This will take us directly to the desktop where we have presentation.key. Click on this, now go to Open. Wait for that to load. And now what we will do is go to File, go to Export to, click on PowerPoint. This will bring up a couple of more options. Require a password to open, that's something for the future. Go to Advanced Options. We can also choose to go back in time from 97 to 2003, compatible if we wish to. Let's leave it as .pptx, go to Next. This will then take us to the desktop where we have presentation.pptx. Now let's export. This is creating a PowerPoint file which has been done. Minimize Keynote for the moment. Now what we will do is go to presentation.pptx, double click on this, and this will open up in Microsoft PowerPoint. As you can see, it's just verifying the application. Wait for that to load. We can now click on continue, and there we have the presentation via Microsoft PowerPoint. Everything is the same. So we can now quit PowerPoint, quit the Keynote application. And so that's all this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.